Don't let negativity define you. Ever feel like bad memories stick around longer than good ones? You're not alone. Our brains are wired to remember negative experiences more vividly. But don't let that hold you back from achieving your dreams. It's called the negativity bias, and it's a survival mechanism. Remembering what hurt us helps us avoid danger in the future. But in today's world, it can lead to unnecessary stress and self-doubt, especially when studying. The key is to acknowledge the negativity, but not dwell on it. Instead, actively focus on the positive aspects of your life and your studies. Celebrate small wins and learn from your mistakes without beating yourself up. Failed a test? Don't see it as a failure, see it as feedback. What can you learn from it? How can you improve next time? Turn setbacks into stepping stones towards your goals. Remember, every successful person has faced countless challenges. You have the power to control your narrative. Don't let negative experiences define you. Focus on your strengths, your goals, and your potential. Believe in yourself, and you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Ready to rewrite your story? Start by writing down 3 positive things about yourself and your academic journey. Share them in the comments below and inspire others. Let's build a community of positivity and support each other to succeed.